Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fish using craft paper. First, gather your materials. You'll need a few sheets of colorful craft paper, a pair of scissors, and some glue. A pencil and a ruler will help you make accurate lines and cuts. Don't forget optional decorative items like googly eyes or glitter to give your fish some personality. Having everything ready makes the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create the fish's body. Take a square piece of craft paper, about 6 inches by 6 inches, and fold it diagonally in half to form a triangle. Next, using your scissors, cut a gentle, curved line from the folded edge towards the open corner. This cut will define the main body shape of your fish. Open it up, and you should have a symmetrical fish body ready for fins. With the body complete, it's time to add the fins and tail. From a contrasting color of paper, cut out 2 small fin shapes, perhaps 1.5 inches long. Also, cut a larger, more elaborate tail fin. Apply a small amount of glue to the base of each fin and carefully attach them to the sides of your fish body. Then, glue the tail fin firmly to the back. Press gently to ensure they stick well. Finally, let's bring your paper fish to life with some decoration. Use a marker to draw scales and a mouth, or simply glue on some googly eyes for a playful look. You can also add glitter, sequins, or small paper cutouts to give your fish a unique and vibrant appearance. Let your creativity shine. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make your money sparkle too, check out the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.